Welcome back to UTech Exam Prep. Now for today's video, we're going to be doing this question right here. So take a minute, pause the video here, and see if you can do it yourself. Okay, so hopefully by now you've at least read the question by yourself. So let's look at our options here. Our two main methods of data transfer seems to be through either DataSync or AWS Data Migration Service. Now we can make an immediate elimination here of C and D because AWS Database Migration Service is a one-time thing. And as we know from the question, this is a daily occurrence of a transfer of 10 terabytes. So data migration would just not work. And between A and B, A is utilizing public internet where B is using Direct Connect. Now, where some of you might be like, public internet seems fine because it is the cheaper option, but in this question, it is really wrong in every single other way. First of all, we are transferring 10 terabytes of data daily. Public internet would not even be fast enough to transfer that amount of data every day. And even if you get it to be fast enough, it might just shut down for no apparent reason, so it is not highly available. And if you somehow also manage to get it to be highly available, it is also not secure and not the most reliable. So the public internet is just wrong in every way. And AWS Direct Connect is secured by Amazon. It's very fast, very reliable. So B is definitely the best answer for this question. And that is it for this video. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.